You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 9. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Combine like terms. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 4 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 9.